Hey there, my friend, it's Simon again, a professional trader with 9 years of experience and an 89% success rate in trades over the past 12 months. The same guy who always searching for the most effective trading strategies. I'm 30 years old, I own a Lambo, and I have a big country house in a prestigious neighborhood. I'm telling you this not to brag, but to show you that I have all of this only thanks to trading. Today, I've prepared something special for you. I'll tell you exactly what every beginner must know to properly analyze the market and choose right entry point for a trade. If you've never done this before, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of where to start and what to focus on. So get comfortable, there's a lot of valuable information ahead. Let's go. If you want to understand trading and trade independently, understanding indicators is a key skill. On my Telegram channel, which already has over 16,000 people, I explain the basics of technical analysis in simple, clear language. No extra details, just clear and straight to the point information. But what if you don't want to dive deep into analysis and just want to start seeing results from trading? There's a ready-made solution for you. I host live sessions where I post my trading decisions in real time, and my channel subscribers simply follow them and get the same results as I do. Just yesterday, my subscribers collectively made 365,000, which is about 715 per person, and that's just from a single session. And I conduct 2 of these live sessions every day. And now the most important part. For a limited time, access to my community is completely free. After all, I promised myself that I would help everyone who want to master trading and achieve their dreams. So don't wait, click the link in the description of this video or the pinned comment and join right now. See you in the club. Today, no long talks, straight to the point. I've already opened the platform, added our pairs, and set up one of my favorite tools, RSI. RSI shows us when the market is tired of rising or falling. If the line is at the top, it's time to look for a reversal down. If it's at the bottom, you can prepare for a move up. Alright, let's start with 17 and see where we can get by the end. Today's approach is simple. We look for possible market reversals using clear, recognizable patterns and always cross-check with our RSI indicator. Everything is straightforward, so anyone can follow along. Let's start with the Canadian and the Japanese. First, look at the RSI indicator. It's at the upper boundary, meaning the market has been moving up for a long time and could be ready for reversal. I also see a shooting star candle. This is a candle with a long upper wick, often appearing before a downward move. The triple candle pattern also signals that buyers are losing power, therefore it's time to go down. Perfect, it worked. When you see that the market is tired, you can act with confidence. Let's keep going. Here, RSI has bounced off the lower boundary. The market has been falling for a while and is now ready to move up. A bullish engulfing pattern just formed. This is a candle that completely covers the previous one and often appears before an upward move. And now we see a hammer, a candle with a long lower wick, signaling that the market is ready to reverse, so we're confidently going up. When you see these signals, trust what you see. Let's move on to the next trade. Pay attention. The trend is down, but we had a slight pause. The price moved up. RSI returned to the middle, signaling that the market isn't done moving down yet. At the top, I see a doji candle, a small body with long wicks, indicating market uncertainty. Next is a bearish engulfing, a large red candle covering the previous one, meaning sellers are back in control, so we go down. Great, now we are at 114, but we keep up the pace and move forward. Now we move on to the Australian and the Canadian. We are still at 114. The price moved up, then dropped a little, which is normal. The market never moves in one direction forever. At the bottom of this pause, I see a triple candle pattern, 3 small candles in a row, often signaling a move up. A hammer also appeared, reinforcing our assumption. RSI is near the middle and is already turning upwards, so we follow it up. Perfect. Everything becomes simple when you realize it's not random, it's patterns. Let's move on. Knowing how to properly read and analyze the market is crucial for developing trading skills. But it's even better when you have an experienced trader by your side who can answer your questions about difficult situations. That's why I constantly analyze different trading scenarios with my subscribers. We'll be able to communicate directly and I'll personally help you with any questions you have. And of course, trading with the support of a professional is a huge advantage. You get to learn to understand the market every day and get better and better at trading, especially when it's completely free. The link to my club is waiting for you in the description of this video, and you already know where to find it, right? Let's check what changed. The price bounced up slightly, but at the top I see a triple candle pattern and a bearish engulfing. That's like a red light telling us to stop and reverse. RSI also signals that the market is tired of rising, so we go down. And now we're at 430 and we're just getting started. Remember, the key here is not to hesitate. Let's move on. And what do we see? Another small pause before an upward move. At the bottom, a familiar pattern appears, bullish engulfing. Plus, RSI has bounced off the middle again. We go up. When you spot these hints, results come quickly. 824, let's keep going. This time, at the top of the move, we see a shooting star. Small body, long upper wick. RSI is also in the overbought zone, meaning the market is stretched like a string and ready to snap back. So we go down now. If you know what to look for, everything is clear. Now we're at 1,551. Let's lock in a couple more trades to secure the results. The price dropped slightly, but the trend is still up. At the bottom, I see triple candle and bullish engulfing, clear signs that it's time to continue upward. Our correction is ending and the trend resumes. RSI is already starting to turn up, so we follow upward. $2,977. Perfect. Now let's move to our final trade of the day. Looking at the chart, after a small drop, RSI bounces from the middle again. At the bottom, I see hammer and triple candle. Everything points to a continued move up. Great! Final result is 5,596. It's simple. When you know what you're looking at, you know what to do. The key is paying attention to what the market is showing you and not rushing into decisions. When you see results like this from just one session, it becomes clear how successful traders can afford anything they want. If you want to learn from a professional trader, here I am. Not only that, but I host live trading sessions on my Telegram channel every day. My subscribers see all my actions and use them in their own trades. On my Telegram channel, I personally support every single member. You can ask me any question and get an answer, even something as simple as which buttons to press. I'll explain everything clearly and in detail. My channel is still free for anyone who wants to join. Click the first link in the description or the pinned comment below this video and send me a message.